Hi guys and welcome to new video, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make your exhaust headers look from this to this and from this to this with virtually no money and with 5 minutes of your time. So let's get into it. So if you like this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe. And if you have any questions about this process, please leave it in the comment section down below, and I'd be glad to answer each and every one of you. And hello again guys, and today we are again working on my Benelli TNT, and today we're gonna tackle these ugly brown blue dirty headers. For this job you can use any solution you use in your bathroom, but that solution must contain hydrofluoric acid. The bigger the number of hydrofluoric acid in your solution, it will make your job much easier, because that acid is the main chemical that cleans your pipes. So in my situation, I have the chemical that contains about 15 to 18% hydrofluoric acid. The most popular solution for this job it is Harpic, that came in black bottles. Harpic is unavailable in my country, but maybe you can find it in yours. If you can, the Harpic will do a great job in this situation. So guys, the cleaning of your headers is a fairly simple process. Just take your solution, put it on a sponge. You can use yellow or this green, the more abrasive side, and start scrubbing the pipes until you see that this brown yellowish color gets off. I wouldn't recommend this approach, because this acid is fairly corrosive, and it could fairly easy damage your painted surface, your fairings. If you have a sport bike, it will easy damage your clear coat. So because I have a naked bike, I decided to remove my headers from the bike and clean it that way. You will see in the video that was a way easier than cleaning headers while on the bike. So because my bike is a naked bike, removing of exhaust and the headers is a fairly simple process. Just remove these 6 screws on the head, one Allen key here, and your exhaust is out. And here it is, our headers in all its glory, removed from the bike, and now it's time for cleaning. Okay guys, now it's cleaning time. Now I'm gonna put my solution in spray bottle, and I'm gonna spray all over my headers, and then I'm gonna leave it about 5 minutes to soak up and to release all the dirt of the pipes. Okay guys, now the 5 minutes are passed, and now I'm gonna rinse the bike with clean water. For that I have another spray bottle, just regular tap water in there, and I'm gonna rinse the whole exhaust pipes, and we will see the results. Okay guys, I'm quite happy with the results. but my headers are old and neglected, and they start to rust a little bit, so I will need to polish them, and I will do that in the next video. So if you want to learn how to polish your headers, stay tuned. But if you have a bit younger bike, this process will definitely clean your headers and make them look like new. If you like this video, if you enjoy this content, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!